morning everybody, it's the 6th of December. Oh my goodness, is it cold. It's about 2 degrees here in Kessingland, Celsius. So let's have a look. But it is bright. And it's nowhere near as windy as it was yesterday, but we've got blue skies and I think we might even be able to see, maybe I'll see the sun. There it is. Bright sunlight. So we had a busy night. What happened last night? So we sold 2 bikes last night on our website. We sold the Rally down here, Rally Pioneer, this one, and we sold the Doors Discovery 301. That's the easiest way to buy a bike from us, is to buy it on our website. So today, what have I got in store? Well, good news is we've got eating. I went and got a gas bottle first thing this morning. Oh, that's going to be a game changer because yesterday everything was so cold. So I'm going to dismantle this one. That'll be the last thing I do. I've got this one to put a new back wheel on, the one behind it to replace the tube and the tyre, and the one behind that is a build, and then another build, plus a ton of social media and sharing stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to get the kettle on. I'm going to let the heater heat up, do a bit of social media, then I'm going to crack on with some jobs. That's my plan. Don't forget, you can follow us on social media. We've got a big presence on the big 3, on Facebook, on Twitter and on Instagram. It's the quickest way to see a bike when we build it because we put it straight on there. And also, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Just click the button down there. Click subscribe, click the notification bell, and you're part of the club. Right then, I'm gonna get on and try and warm up a bit. So my first job today is this one with a completely knackered back wheel. So we'll get that one done as quick as possible, and then crack on with the next one. So that's my plan. Get this one done, get a new wheel on, get that one off, get the sprocket off, and crack on. Right, let's get into this. So this Diamondback MO5 hardtail is done, new back wheel on there, and running as it should. Customer should be very happy with that, I suspect. Yeah, fairly easy job. So back wheel plus fitting, we charge £20, which is a fraction of what it would cost for a new one, and we have got so many wheels. So if you watched any of our previous videos, I don't know if you know this, but I've been sticking little quality control stickers on the wheels. But for the life of me, I can't see it at the moment, but I have been doing that. There you go. It's just, let me see if I can show that little sticker in there. So I've been adding those to all the wheels that have passed quality control, and that saved me the best part of 30 minutes this morning, just putting that sticker on. So that way I know whether the wheel is true, whether it's safe, whether it's been tested and everything. So that saved me an awful lot of time this morning. Right, on to the next one. So the next job today is this little blue girl's bike that's got a puncture and probably needs a new tyre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the back wheel off because it's a bit fiddly, and then fit a nice new tyre to it, and yeah, basically get that one sorted. So let's get into it. But it's got a new tyre and tube now, and it's running as it should. So customer is picking up this afternoon. Right, let's get into the next one. So the next job is to dismantle yesterday's donor bike. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, make sure you check it out, because we built a GT and a, what did we build? A doors? GT and a doors, I think. So we just need to get this one dismantled. There's a few bits and pieces off it that we can use. Let's get into it. Okay, I've got everything I want off this one. So that's the second dismantle of 2024. The stand is wobbly and broken, so we wouldn't want to sell that. But yeah, that's that one done. Right, let's get on with the next job. So the next job is this Reflex Belmont that was donated. I don't know what's wrong with it. So the first part is going to be basically assessing it and then seeing whether everything works as it should. So let's see if we can build this into a nice lady's bike. Right, let's get into it. So I've just built this one, and built is probably the wrong word because there's very little wrong with it. I set the gears up, removed the gel saddle, adjusted the front brake. Oh, typical, it never ring. I will Okay, so where were we? Yeah, so I didn't have to do an awful lot to this one. Inflate the tyres, check the gears, adjust the front brake, take the padded saddle thing off, remove the other thing, the light bracket, and yeah, this is going to make someone very, very, very happy, I should think. I can picture it with a basket on the front. It look lovely. If you're looking for a bike just to get to work, it's wonderful. Right, that just needs a good clean when I do the others, and it's ready to go. So the next job of the day is this Doors Diploma that we've had for ages. It's a great bike, but we're really struggling to sell it. And I think the reason we're struggling to sell it is because when it came in, it had these handlebars on it, which is completely incompatible, or not incompatible, but completely different to the gearing it's got. So it's a 3-speed bike, but it's got road bike handlebars. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch them. We're going to put some nice curved handlebars on it, and then hopefully we can make it into something a bit more sellable. So that's the next job. So let's do it. So this one's done. It's just a utility bike really, but with the more upright handlebars rather than the racing bike handlebars. I was a bit of a pig, to be honest, but they're not all easy. And during that time we also had 2 folding bikes donated, 2 city stowaways, 2 identical folding bikes. Right, so genuinely I think I've worked hard enough this morning, so I'm going to go and get some lunch and I'll see you this afternoon. So I'm back from lunch and so I don't know if I showed you this earlier. Two old bikes donated. This one's being picked up this afternoon. This one hopefully being picked up this afternoon. We had a phone call about £100. So I'm going to say good afternoon.